A small passenger aircraft carrying 15 people crashed in a rural area of northeastern Colombia Wednesday, killing all those on board, authorities said. The crash occurred in Norte de Santander province, where the state-owned airline Satena was operating the flight. The airline said local officials in the village of Curasica alerted authorities after spotting the wreckage, following which rescue teams were dispatched to the site. No survivors were found. Satena stated that the aircraft, registered as HK4709, had taken off from Cúcuta at 11:42 am local time and was en route to the mountainous town of Ocaña, a flight of about 40 minutes. The plane reportedly lost contact with air traffic control just minutes after departure. Officials confirmed that the aircraft was carrying 13 passengers and 2 crew members. Among the victims was Diogenes Quintero, a local representative of victims of Colombia's internal armed conflict. The cause of the crash has not yet been determined and an investigation is underway. Bureau Report, Orissapost Live.